All right, Ken, thanks for the update. President-elect Joe Biden is promising to have 100 million COVID vaccine shots in the arms of Americans in his first 100 days of office. As we take a live look at the White House, CBS News reporter Natalie Brand is live in Wilmington, Delaware, with more on Biden's plan to combat the virus. Natalie, good evening.
Good evening, Alan. And at his event earlier today, President-elect Biden also reiterated his masking plan for his first 100 days in office, saying he would sign an order requiring masks in federal buildings and also during interstate travel on planes or trains, for instance. He also said it should be a national priority to get kids back in school.
Good afternoon.
President-elect Joe Biden introduced key members of his health team who will be tasked with tackling pandemic response and COVID-19 vaccine distribution.
Masking, vaccinations, opening schools. These are the three key goals for my first 100 days.
Mr. Biden has tapped California Attorney General Xavier Becerra, a former Democratic congressman, to become the first Latino Secretary of Health and Human Services.
It is our turn to build a nation where, as the president-elect so often says, healthcare is a right, not a privilege.
At the same time in Washington, President Trump renewed false claims that he won the election during a White House vaccine summit.
Well, we're going to have to see who the next administration is because we won in those swing states.
But Tuesday evening, the U.S. Supreme Court declined a lawsuit to block certification of Mr. Biden's win in Pennsylvania, delivering a major blow to the president's legal efforts. President-elect Biden is expected to announce more top cabinet picks before the Christmas holiday, and he's facing mounting pressure to increase diversity among the remaining posts. Mr. Biden and Vice President-elect Kamala Harris discussed the issue in a virtual meeting with civil rights leaders.
Our job as historic civil rights leaders is to, one, help him, and number two, to hold him accountable.
The president-elect plans to nominate retired four-star General Lloyd Austin to become the first black man to lead the Pentagon. Federal law requires former military officers to wait 7 years before serving as defense secretary, so he would need a special waiver from Congress. And we have more cabinet news tonight. CBS News has learned that the president-elect has picked Marcia Fudge, Ohio Congresswoman, as his pick to run the Department of Housing and Urban Development. If confirmed, she would be the second black woman to run that department. And we've also learned that Mr. Biden plans to nominate former Iowa Governor Tom Vilsack as Agriculture Secretary. And if he's confirmed, he would return to a job he held during the entire Obama administration, Alan.
Filling out his roster. All right, Natalie Brand, thanks so much.